It's time, guys.
Bitch.
It's time for what? What'd you call me?
Bitch.
It's time for
Man.
Texas
Make it.
Chainsaw Massacre.
No, dude, this cringy as fuck.
Well, you know what? Are you fucking making this video, or am I?
So goddamn cringy.
You're the most cringiest person I know to man. Don't give me shit.
What you talking about? Saying the man of all, let's play Texas Chainsaw.
This guy.
This guy. I'm fucked.
You're fucked. I'm telling you, you are so high for this. This is a scary game, bro.
This is a scary game.
Shit, man. Yeah.
No, this shit is terrible. This is way terrifying than Dead by Daylight.
Hiding is more of an aspect in this game where you have to hide.
You can hide in this game, but the longer you hide, the fucking dark it gets.
I'm free.
Oh, I don't know what the fuck is going on right now, dude.
You gotta free yourself, bro. You gotta free yourself, bro.
Who am I next to?
It's your fault for getting high, man.
Hey, this is my fucking superpower. I don't know about you guys.
Oh, is that you, Justin?
Dude, I'm gonna hit myself. Where the fuck?
Hold on, right behind you, right behind you.
Alright, dude. I'm freaking out here, dude.
I told you not to smoke that fucking hit, dude. This shit's scary.
Oh, I don't appreciate it. Oh, let the faces nearby, guys.
Alright, so what do I gotta do?
Alright, we gotta find a lockpick or some other way to exit the fucking area. Also, by the way, don't make too much noise, or because eventually Grandpa would wake up, and Grandpa is basically a fucking UAV every time you move.
Just hearing this man
So
like
you like running
information.
The bones, do you think like that was cool, or like what?
Oh, if you run into the bones,
it makes noise. It gives an alert sound to the killers.
I just saw you do that. Hey, dude.
It makes.
Where's that?
Hold on. I found $2.
If you hear a chainsaw, that's the face.
Rebel.
I don't know what you want me to do. Oh, dude, I hear!
What? Alright. Neato.
See you guys. I'm out of the basement.
Already?
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm out of the basement. See you guys.
Don't move. Alright, come on. Justin, did you leave?
I'm fucking scared, dude. I'm fucking so scared.
I just found it funny. Oh, by the way, now since your grandpa's awake, the family members can now go into the basement.
Dude, I'm so scared right now.
Told you not to fucking smoke that shit, dude.
Dude, I'm fucked, dude. I'm so fucked, actually.
You're right. I kind of.
Fuck, dude. Iframes are my friend. Iframes are.
Stop moving, bro. You're revealing yourself.
Hey, no, he's right here, dude. I don't have that option right now, dude. I don't have that option right now, dude.
It's so fucking funny.
Dude, how do I live? How do I live in this? I'm fucked, dude.
Oh shit!
Go
dude,
through,
I'm
like,
fucked. Dude, I'm
crevices.
Oh no! Generator me, Johnny!
Right.
This shit's so fucking funny. I swear to God. Can't make some of this shit up. Oh
dude,
my God.
I'm the first one, dude. You guys fucking abandoned me, dude.
We abandoned you.
Well, I just see you throughout the entire game, so.
Oh, who's this?
That was scary, dude. I had no fucking clue how to get out of there.
Who's this?
I'm probably the only person that's out of the basement.
Johnny found my footprints?
Yeah, you better get fucking going.
Motherfucker.
Okay, so
I mean,
if you even do it like slow, it'll still make sound, right? You just have to do it as fast as possible with the sound it's making.
No!
Yeah. Hey,
I'm watching.
me?
Oh, you're getting fucked up right now, dude.
No shit! Fuck you, Johnny!
Be careful. Johnny's fucking insane. He's the nastiest family member. Fucking nasty, bro.
Oh, dude.
I'm screwed! Fucking Leatherface is right
Hello?
on the wall.
Can he come through that?
I'm screwed. I'm screwed.
What?
I'm cornered.
Yo.
That was fine.
I'm in
I
a
would
good
suggest
spot right now,
getting
but
the fuck out of
Leatherface is
there,
in
dude.
my fucking face, dude.
Just don't go that way, dude. He's going up, I think. Wait, okay, don't move.
Double left. So far, I'm the only person that's so close to escaping right now.
I'm outside.
I'm also outside. I'm about to escape, bro.
Where are you? I need your location.
I'm in the backfield.
I'm in exterior.
He's fixing the car.
Overload pressure valves to open. And Johnny found me. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh fuck!
Why
you
is
ain't
Johnny
never mind me, man.
fucking camping me, bro? God damn it!
That's so fucking funny. keep doing me that favor real quick.
This is some bullshit.
Keep doing that favor for me. Hey, remember last game when you guys were with all the family members and kind of left me on my lonesome?
Are you serious? How did he fuck me?
Damn, dude. He fucking...
What a sweat.
Alright, Nick.
Fuck
I
you,
see
Nick.
how it is.
I'm gone. Fuck you guys. I'm gone.
County for a missing universe.
Why are you next to me again, Justin?
Alright, dude. You're gonna have to...
Man.
Fuck, I can... You have to help me out here, buddy.
Don't make too much
Who's
noise,
next
my
to me?
guy. Justin, you just made a lot of noise.
Alright, what do we do?
First
Hold on.
off, you gotta find a toe box.
Alright, we gotta find a
Toe
toolbox.
box is a
Hold on,
brute.
dude. Hold on.
Stay calm, Lana.
He's already nearby. What the fuck?
Fuck, dude.
A Leatherface semi.
How many you went down, dude? Because I'm going down.
He
I ain't
spawns
going
in the middle of the map.
Dude, where'd you go, Grovel?
I went to go get the like straight ahead.
My guy, do you think I know where any of this is?
I don't know where this area is either, bro. I got lost in the maze like fucking 4 times already. You just gotta kind of wing it.
Alright,
Man,
so
Leatherface isn't doing his
a little
job.
basement dweller like me, right? Help?
Bro, just roam around, find some shit, be smart about it.
Alright, dude. Alright, dude.
You're too high for this, I told you.
I made too much noise.
Fucking
No,
Nick.
no, I opened the door.
Oh, all good. All
So
good.
what does
See,
bone scraps do for me?
it acts like a knife. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run. Leatherface is on me. It's your defense where you struggle with the family member and attack them. And also it dismantles bone
Rebel, help
charms.
me out here.
Fucking Johnny's here. He's feeding Grandpa.
Oh, with Grandpa, Grandpa is also a UAV
Can I stab Grandpa
builder.
without having a bone knife?
You have to have a bone knife.
Stupid.
My guy, where are you?
I'm upstairs.
Johnny's in the
Oh, I
basement.
fucking see you, dude.
I think I can make it.
Well, someone's attacking Johnny within my vicinity.
Oh
right now.
shit, someone's in a well, dude. That's the killer. Oh fuck.
It's a fucking, the hitchhiker's fucking roaming around upstairs.
Bro, what the fuck, man? Johnny's fucking insane. I'm trying to run
Grubble.
away from Johnny.
I'm right
and Johnny
behind you.
already caught up to me.
Yeah, dude, he's right in front of us. Don't fucking move.
It's fucking bizarre.
Make your character shut
He's
the fuck
right.
up.
How?
They by the way, they can't. The family members can't go through those barricades. With the one with the
They can't go.
tripwire.
Thank you, God.
They can't go through the barricades, but Leatherface can destroy the barricades.
Alright, hold on. It's a lot of information. I'm climbing over this.
I'm trying to run away from
Alright, head
Johnny.
into this barn right here.
Of course, he found my footsteps.
I'm a
My
little
tracks.
scared right now, Grubble.
I told you not to smoke that shit.
Hey, it's fine. It'd be like this regardless, dude.
Alright, that's a ladder that leads to the
Alright,
basement.
alright, alright, come here. What the fuck is going on, dude? What's going
You
on?
need to relax. Come on, alright, let's find an area that
Wait,
has
heal?
an exit.
What is this heal thing?
To heal you. You see that green bar right there?
Do I need healing?
No, if it's green, you're good.
This is a bottle?
Alright,
I
found a
think I got a
valve.
shiv.
Found a valve.
Thank the Lord you're alive.
What
Alright,
that
follow me,
does
follow me,
is
follow me,
this-
follow me. Oh shit, hold on. You saw him?
Yeah.
Go. Careful.
There we go. Thank fuck. I finally made it out of the basement, man. I think Leatherface cannot go down ladders. Yeah, he can't go down ladder.
Fuck, dude. This is not cool, dude.
Honestly, I got no clue where you're at, Justin.
Hey, alright, I see you. You need to not be moving right now. Run.
Yeah, I'm running at the moment. Johnny's at the moment. I
Alright,
fucking hate Johnny.
where are you?
I am currently fucking
you're
disabling
fucking
the valve.
I like how okay. Don't worry, Dick. I'll try to find you. Grubble, where the fuck are you? That's funny. Yeah, well, killer man. It's you and me against the family.
Welcome to the family, son.
Fuck you guys.
We gotta try our best to escape now.
Are you fucking a trap?
Alright,
Okay, Anna. It's fine. Just
nice,
don't look.
nice. They're coming for you right now, but I should know that.
Shut the fuck up.
Man, I just like
Nick's
how they're
getting the
going
fuck out of here right now.
Yeah,
Nick,
I really
Nick, I've
am.
noticed, do you do the same fucking thing, dude? You just get thinking like the tools from the toolbox and open the shed door or whatever the fuck? The gate.
Yep. This is mainly unlocking doors, and if you want to get a special exit, there's two exits that are special and unique of what you have to do. It's a fuse box exit and a valve exit.
I made it, bitches! Fuck you!
What Grubble just did was the valve
We have
exit.
to find her.
I just did the basic easy exit,
I
which
did
is
it!
unlocking doors.
Celebration
And all that.
turned into a
I'm gonna
scene
hit you in the head.
The more we keep feeding Grandpa blood, he's gonna become like a fucking UAV, like automatically every time. And
He's just
then
gonna
if
be
we max
stronger
him
and
out,
stronger.
they can't hide anymore from him.
Entered the gymnasium with a variety of bladed weapons and began attacking.
Hi, dude.
There's you, Justin. You better put some work in, man.
Oh, it's first fucking game, dude. I'm a little nervous here. Alright, I'm kind of excited at the same time.
Oh, by the way, the only way for you to attack, you have to rev your chainsaw.
Right. Fuck these flashes. It's like I have Tourette's. Alright.
I got this chick's
So-
a psycho.
What the fuck do I get to do?
You find the killers and then you kill them.
Hey,
When you find the
Hey,
survivors and then, you know.
Now, where did they go?
Making my way downtown, seeking fast. Dude.
motherfuckers.
Oh, hey, what's up, man?
Why do you have loud ass footsteps?
I can't
I don't
see
know.
shit, dude.
It's like you're wearing those fucking like steel-toed everything.
Probably. I'm a redneck, man. Oh, you bitch.
Make sure to close some doors all on the way, so you don't fucking have it easy for the fucking survivors. Repeat, Grandpa.
I'm making sure that these doors are
Oh,
latched.
that's good, ain't it? There, it's all right, Grandpa.
Look how he has a hammer next to him. He's just holding a hammer.
Well,
Now, it wouldn't tell me if These fucking little shits got away. What?
No. The moment Grandpa wakes up is like possibly that they made too much noise or they open the door.
Yeah.
Like right now.
They just opened up the door.
I don't know where they are.
Oh, found one. He's inside the house, Nick. Bottom floor, right by the kitchen.
Yeah, I see him.
Hey! Hey, corner. One in the corner. I got this one.
I'm gonna go the other way.
Get over here, bitch!
They're gonna love this.
I like how in the mist.
Did you get the black guy? He was in the corner.
Oh, I didn't see the bad guy.
Boy, I just said he was in the corner, dead ass.
Not bad.
Justin, are you still in the basement?
I'm walking up now.
Oh, no, go back down. Some of them jumped down to basement again.
Fuck, dude. I have no fucking clue.
Bro, go beat Leatherface. Hurry up.
I'm trying.
Grandpa in danger? Oh, I see this bitch.
No, it's because.
No, it was a bitch. Oh, no, shoot.
How does that feel? Guess I can't.
Get back here, Blondie. Got you. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nah, I killed someone. Don't worry about it.
All in the house.
I killed someone. I was in basement.
Oh, there's this guy right here. This guy right here.
Oh, I see this guy. I see him. Get him, Justin.
Oh, he's someone.
No.
Got you.
No.
Damn, Leatherface, I'm doing your job for you.
What I mean, dude, it's so hard to see. I turn my fucking brightness up, dude. But that was nice, dude. That was nice.
It's so brutal, the fact that I have a fucking shaving knife, man. A fucking razor. Alright, he's level 3.
Oh shit! All right. So
Go find some victims, bro.
where could he possibly be, though?
There's someone
Search
trying to
around.
escape right now.
Really?
There he is.
Found him?
I fucking found him.
Oh, he did
Where
find
is
him.
he at? Is it?
It's like backyard.
What the fuck? I just came from there.
Why would you break that, my guy? That's my way to get there.
Oh, I didn't know that, my guy. I'm
Fuck
sorry.
you, dude.
Well, hold on, he's just fucking.
He went to the barn. He went to the barn.
Oh, well, the last spot's.
Yes.
What? He left.
Oh, he That's
So he
funny.
left.
What, so he just escaped?
No, he didn't escape. He bled out.
Oh.
Nice. I had him. Nice.
Pretty good. That was pretty fun.
So fucking
it's pretty
funny.
fun. I got 2 kills.
Yeah. If you're not getting ass, you fucking obliterated.
No, he didn't find me.
Fuck.
He didn't find me. Nick, I'm a fuse. Tell me what to do.
You go upstairs. Well, if you go upstairs, Sissy is up there, but Justin getting killed. The fuse box is upstairs, but in order
They're all
to
upstairs,
open the
dude.
fuse box,
Hey, I'm dead.
the house is insane, bro. It's insane. It's
Yeah.
hard.
What the fuck?
Don't
Alright. Okay.
Ah, she found me.
That's- Oh my god, she's blind. Oh my god, she's blind.
Still around here somewhere.
This is some bullshit, bro. They're just fucking camping. I hate this map. Are you fucking?
You're good.
I figured that, dude.
That's so scary, dude.
You're a gunner.
You know he's gonna fuck you up, right?
Oh fuck!
Don't do that.
Oh fuck!
Don't do that. He fucked up. Oh dude. Oh dude. Oh my god, dude.
That's so fucking funny. Oh, you're recovering?
I'm dead.
Dude,
I'm
he's
dead.
coming for you right
I'm
now.
dead.
Okay, run, dude. Oh,
Listen, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's too late. End me. Just end me.
That's a wrap, buddy. Wow, wow, they're fucking the shit out of you right now. Wow.
All they had to do was just stay at the house. All they had to do. It's so fucking stupid, dude.
Is he teabagging me?
Yeah. There's always toxicity in this
What a
fucking
fucking
game.
douchebag, bro. It's a fucking horror game.